What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm gonna talk about how to download and install DirectX 12 on your Windows 10 or on your Windows 11 and how we can do this app. So let me directly get into a step. First one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, and you have to click on the settings. Now from here on the left side, over here at the bottom, we have an option called Windows Update. Select this one and make sure the Windows is up to date. Or if you're having any kind of pending update, just update it. By updating this, the DirectX 12 will be installed on your device. So you have to try this as the first step. Afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, we need to close this and just go over here, search here for the run command, and you have to click on this one. And right now over here, we need to type a command dxdiag and just go for OK. Now they're gonna ask you to wait for a little bit of time. So over here, as you can see the DirectX version of my computer is DirectX 12, which is already installed. So if some of the cases, in some cases, if while you're doing this, you will be having DirectX 11 here, which means it should be updated to the DirectX 12. So DirectX 12 is here, so we just need to close this, and now we need to go over here on a Google Chrome. Now over here in the Google Chrome, we need to search for DirectX web installer. You have to search this one. Now get into the first site over here, which is the Microsoft official site. Now from here we have to download this. So what happens is it will be downloaded over here, and you have to click this and you have to install it. For me, in my case, it is already installed. So just get into this and right now go for yes. And now what happens is they're gonna ask you some question like this. So just go for I accept the agreement and go for next and go for next. So it is going to take a little bit of time. So in my case, I have already installed the DirectX on my system. So sometimes it might install, or you might get error because if it's already installed, you might get error. Or if it's not the case, you will be completely ready. So you just need to wait for it. So it's going to take a bit of time. So what it says is there is an issue with the network, so it could not finish it. But in case, it will be installed successfully, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.